What is Cardcore? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to give you the full review of Cardcore, a super simple website builder that's gained a lot of popularity lately. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Card is a web-based platform that lets you build simple, responsive one-page websites for pretty much anything, whether it's a personal profile, landing page, portfolio, or even a small product showcase. It's known for being lightweight, user-friendly, and fast. 2. Features. Drag and drop builder with no coding needed. Responsive design looks great on mobile and desktop. Templates for various purposes, personal bios, business landing pages, forms, etc. Custom domains and form integrations with the Pro version. Embeds, animations, and widget support. 3. Pros. Extremely easy to use even for beginners. Clean, minimalist designs. Great free plan with decent customization. Very fast loading times. Perfect for quick landing pages or portfolios. 4. Cons. Limited to one page websites, not ideal for larger sites. Free version has limited integrations and no custom domain. Might feel too simple for users needing advanced features. 5. Pricing. Free plan, basic features, CAD branding, and limited templates. Pro like around $9/year removes branding, more templates. Pro standard around $19/year allows custom domains, forms, widgets. Pro plus $49/year for more advanced needs like custom code and higher site limits. If you need a quick, clean, and cost effective way to make a website or a landing page, Cardco is a fantastic choice. It's especially great for creators, freelancers, and anyone who wants an online presence without getting overwhelmed by complex tools. So that's all for this video.